Hi students, in part 2 video, class 7, chapter 1, integers, I am going to do exercise 1.1. Let's do the exercise. Question number 1, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay. So look at the number line. It is marked different places. Lal Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. So look at the temperature of these places. So Lal Spiti. Can you see Lal Spiti? Yes or no? Okay. What is its temperature? Minus 8 degrees Celsius, isn't it? What is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty 14 degrees Celsius. Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then let's do the problems. Okay. So first bit we have to do it. Okay. What is the first bit? Okay, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Lal Spiti. What is its temperature? From the number line, it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Shimla, 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty, 14 degrees Celsius. Bangalore, 22 degrees Celsius. Isn't it? See, from the number line, what did you understand? Children, one more point I want to say it. Can you see the 0 here? This is 0. Okay, left side of 0 we can see negative numbers and right side of 0 we can see positive numbers. Okay. Okay. So, moving to left side of the number line, the value is decreasing, and moving to the right side of the number line, we can see the value is increasing. Okay, this you have to remember, isn't it? Bit B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? Temperature of hottest place is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature of coldest place is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. That is Lal Spiti. Difference between 22 degrees Celsius minus of 8. Okay. So, here what is the sign here? It is minus, so we have to write plus, and additive inverse of minus 8. What is additive inverse of minus 8? Positive 8. So, 22 plus 8. So, we can write 22 plus 8. Plus 8 can be write normally 8 only. Okay. So, we can write it is, what is 28? 2 plus 8, 30 degree Celsius. One more question is bit C. What is the temperature difference between Lal Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature at Lal Spiti is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature at Srinagar? It is minus 2 degree Celsius, isn't it? Difference between Lal Spiti and Srinagar. How will you find difference between Lal Spiti and Srinagar? You have to subtract minus 2 minus 8. Okay, so we can write minus 2. What is the sign here? Minus, so we have to write it as plus, and additive inverse of minus 8. You have to write what is the additive inverse of minus 8? It is positive 8. Okay, so usually minus 2 plus 8. You should subtract. One is minus, the other one is plus. So you should subtract and put the bigger sign. So we have to write it as 6 degree Celsius. Okay. Then question bit B, we can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. So first we can do what is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. What is the temperature of Srinagar? From the number line we already know that it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature of Shimla? 5 degrees Celsius. So you should add some. So minus 2 plus 5, what is that? 3 degree Celsius. Okay, 3 degree Celsius. We can say 3 degree Celsius. Okay, then the question is sum is less than the temperature of Shimla. Okay, yes, the sum is less than the temperature of Shimla, that is 3 less than 5. One more question is there. Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No. Why? 3 is greater than minus 2. So we can say no, it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? How will you find this? It is given that his score is 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Okay. What is the total score? How will you find? You should add all these score. That is sum of all scores. Okay. First of all, we should add all positive numbers. Okay. 25 plus 15 plus 10 plus negative numbers minus 5 and minus 10. So first we should add all these 25 plus 15 plus 10. So what is the total you get? 25 plus 15 we get 40, then plus 10. So we get 40 plus 10 which is equal to 50. What is minus 5 plus minus 10? We get same sign. So we get minus 15. So we can write 50 plus minus 15. So one is positive, the other one is negative. So we have to find the difference, that is 50 minus 15. So what is the total score? It is 35. Okay. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What is the temperature on Monday? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature on Tuesday? 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. We have to find what is the temperature on Tuesday. Okay. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So, how will you find this problem? So, first, what is the temperature on Monday? It is given minus 5 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature on Tuesday? So, it is given that it decreases 2 degrees Celsius. So, how will you find this? Minus 5 minus 2. Okay. So, how will you do this one? Minus 5 plus minus 2 we can write. Like this we can write, isn't it? So, minus 5 plus minus 2 is how much? same sign. So we can add. So what is the temperature on Tuesday? It is minus 7 degree Celsius. Now we are going to study temperature on Wednesday. So how will you do this one? Temperature on Wednesday is equal to it is given that it rose by 4 degree Celsius. So we should add minus 7 plus 4. So what is one is negative and the other one is positive. So you should subtract 7 minus 4 and put the bigger sign, that is minus. So we get minus 3 degree Celsius, isn't it? Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is flying exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Okay, how will you do this one? So first of all, you have to write the steps. So what is the distance above the sea level? We already know that above sea level is represented by a positive integer. What is the then distance below the sea level represented? It is represented by a negative integer, that is minus 1200 meter. So distance between plane and submarine. What is the vertical distance between plane and submarine? So how will you find this? 5000 minus 1200. So how will you do this one? So 5000, what is the sign here? It is minus, so you have to write it as plus, and additive inverse of minus 1200. What is additive inverse of minus 1200? It is plus 1200. So you should add this one. You get 6200 meters. So what is the distance between plane and submarine? 6200 meters. Okay, isn't it? Mohan deposited rupees 2200 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay. So let's do the problem. How will you do this one? Money deposited. Money deposited, it is represented by a positive integer, rupees 2000. So money withdrawal, it is represented by a negative integer. So rupees minus 1642. Amount of balance. How will you find amount of balance? You should subtract 2000 minus 1642. So what is the answer? You get 358 we get. So how will you represent the amount of money deposited? Amount of money deposited is represented by a which number, which integer? Positive integer. Oh, isn't it? Question number 7. In a magical square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Okay, we are going to check whether this is a magic square or not. So we have to check the diagonals. These diagonals, rows, each row, each column. How many rows are here? 3 rows and 3 columns are there. How many diagonals are here? 1, 2 diagonals are there. All rows and columns and diagonals also we have to check. Okay, let's start. First we have to check the first row. Okay, what is the 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4? So you should add minus 1 and plus minus 4. So we get minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. What is the answer? 0 we get. Okay. Then next one, minus 5 plus minus 2. So we get minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7. We get again 0. Then third row. So 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. Again we get 0 here. Okay. Then we have to check the column. Okay. 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. So we get 0 again. So minus 1 plus minus 2. We get minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. So again we get 0 here. Okay. Then minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3. So minus 4 plus minus 3 we get minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 we get 0. Okay. Next we are going to check the diagonal. See, 5 minus 2 minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus 2 we get minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 again we get 0 here. Okay. Then this diagonal we are going to check. Okay, 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4. We get minus 2 plus minus 4, we get minus 6. Okay, here all rows, columns are equal. But this diagonal is, one diagonal is minus 6, then the other one is 0. Okay, so this is not a magic square, isn't it? Clear? Next one, see, look at the, okay, can you see the square here? Okay, then you have to check the first row, second row and third row. See, you have to check this diagonal, then column, first column, second column, third column. Okay, then let's check. Okay, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. See, one is negative and the other one is positive. So we have to subtract and put the greater sign. So we get 9 here, isn't it? Then minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. So all are negative. So we can add, we get minus 9 again here. Minus 6, 4, minus 7. So minus 7 plus minus 6. So same sign. So we get minus 13 plus 4. So you have to find the difference. So we get and put the greater sign. So we get minus 9 again. Okay. Then column wise we have to check. Okay. Minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 plus 1. So you get minus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 4. What is minus 6 plus minus 4? We get minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1. Again we get minus 9. Okay. Then next one, minus 3 plus minus 10. Same sign, you get minus 13. Minus 13 plus 4. So again we get minus 9 here. Okay. Then 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. So what is minus 7 plus minus 2? Again we get minus 9. Minus 9 plus 0, minus 9 itself. So these columns, 3 columns are equal. And these rows, 3 rows are equal. Isn't it? Now we are going to check these diagonals. Okay. So first we have to check this diagonal. So what is minus 7? Minus 7 plus minus 3. It is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1 is equal to minus 9, we get minus 9. Okay. Then we have to check this diagonal. Okay. Minus 6 plus minus 3. So we get minus 9. Okay. So from this what did you understand? Here each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. So this is a magic square. Okay. Okay. Verify A minus B is equal to A plus B for the values of A and B. I bit. A is equal to 21, B is equal to 18. So B is equal to minus 18. What is minus B? Which is equal to minus 18. So this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Okay, first we have to take LHS. LHS A minus B. So we have to write the values of A here. What is the value of A here? It is 21 minus, what is the value of minus B here? Minus 18. 21 plus, what is the additive inverse of minus 18? It is positive 18. So we get 39. Then we have to check RHS, that is A plus B. A plus B is equal to 21 plus 18, which is equal to 39. Here LHS is equal to RHS, that is 39 is equal to 39. Hence verified, isn't it? Okay. Here LHS is equal to A minus B. So A is equal to what here? 118. What is B here? 125. So minus B is equal to how much? Minus 125. Okay, let us take LHS. LHS is equal to A minus of minus B. So 118 minus 125. So 118 plus 125. How will you get this? 118. What is the sign here? It is minus. So we have to take plus and the additive inverse of minus 125. It is 125. So we get 243. Then RHS you take. RHS is equal to A plus B. So 118 plus 125, which is equal to 243, isn't it? Here LHS is equal to RHS, that is 243 is equal to 243. Hence verified, isn't it? Then third bit. A is equal to 75, B is equal to 84, minus B is equal to how much? Minus 84. Then LHS take. LHS is equal to A minus B. So 75 minus 84. So 75 plus additive inverse of minus 84, it is 84 plus 84. So we can write 84. So 75 plus 84. What is the answer? 159. Then RHS you have to write. A plus B is equal to 75 plus 84, which is equal to 159. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Here LHS is equal to RHS, that is 39 is equal to 39, hence verified. Okay. Okay. Use the sign greater, less or equal to in the box to make the statements true. Okay. Let's do the answer. Minus 8 plus minus 4, box, you can see a box here. In this is LHS and this is RHS. Minus 8 minus 4. So first we have to do the solutions of this. Okay. So we have to write minus 8 plus minus 4. What is minus? Same sign. So we can add. So we get minus 12. Okay. Here you get like this, minus 8 minus 4. So which is equal to minus 8. What is the sign here? Minus plus additive inverse of minus 4. We have to write it as plus 4. So you afterwards one is negative and the other one is positive. So what we have to do? We have to subtract and put the greater sign, that is minus 4. Okay, here minus 12 is less than minus 4. Okay, next problem. So we have to fill here, isn't it? So how will you fill? What is the sign here? Minus 12 is less than minus 4. So we can fill like this, we get like this, we get. Like this we can fill. Okay. Then next one B. Okay. Minus 3 plus 7. Next bit B. Minus 3 plus 7 minus bracket 19. Okay. This is LHS and this is RHS. 15 minus 8 plus bracket minus 9. So first of all we have to solve this one. So minus 3 plus 7 plus in bracket you have to write minus 19. Okay. Then next step I am going to take minus 3 and minus 19 together. Minus 3 plus minus 19 together. Plus 7. This 7. Then what is minus 19 plus minus 3? It is minus 22. Minus 22 plus 7 which is equal to minus 15. Isn't it? Okay. Then next we have to do this side. Okay. 15 we can write this 15 minus 8 plus minus 19 we can write. Isn't it? 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. This is the question and we are going to do, we can write like this, isn't it? Okay. 15 plus, this minus 8 can be write as plus minus 8 plus minus 9. Okay. Then 15 plus minus 8 plus minus 9. What is same sign? So we can add minus 8 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 17. Then 15 plus minus 17 we get minus 2. Here minus 15 is less than minus 2. So how can we write this one? Here, so this is less than. We can write like this. This minus 3 plus minus 3 plus 7 minus bracket 19. 19 is less than 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Is it? Okay. Then question number C bit. Okay. Let's do the C bit. 23 minus 41 plus 11. So first of all we have to write 23 plus 11 minus 41. We have to write the question. So what is 23? Here 23 minus 41 plus 11. This is the question. So which is equal to, we have to write which is equal to what? 23 plus 11. We have to take these positives together. 23 plus 11 minus 41 which is equal to 34 plus minus 41. You should add 23 plus 11. How much you get? 34 you get. 34 plus minus 41. So we have different sign. So we have, usually we have to subtract 41 minus 34. What is the sign of 41? It is negative. So we have to put negative here. Okay. So minus 7 you get here. Then 23 minus 41 minus 11. So write the question again. 23 minus 41 minus 11. Then we can write 23. We can write 41 like this, plus minus 41 plus minus 11. Then what is minus 41 plus minus 11? We get minus 52. Then 23 plus minus 52. Then you have to find the difference. 52 minus 23. So what is the answer? 29 we get. Then you have to put the greater sign, that is minus 29. Isn't it? Okay. Here 29, here minus 7 is greater than minus 27. Here minus 7 is, see, Here minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So how can we write this? Greater sign. Okay. Then question number D bit, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. Okay. Then what is RHS here? 36 plus minus 52 minus of minus 36. Okay. Then write the question again. 39 plus minus 24 plus minus 15. So 39 plus, we can write minus 24 like this, isn't it? Plus minus 15. Okay. Then we have to write minus 24 plus minus 15, which is equal to minus 39. What is here? It is positive 39 and here it is minus 39. So what is 39 plus minus 39, which is equal to 0. Then next we have to do RHS. 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. So we have to 36 plus minus 52 plus the additive inverse of minus 36, that is positive 36. Then you have to take these 36 and these 36 together, that is 36 plus 36 plus minus 52. Okay, minus 52 plus minus 52, you have to put in bracket minus 52. Then 36 plus 36 is equal to how much? 72. 72 plus minus 52. So what is the difference? We have to subtract. So we get 20. Here 0. Here 0 is less than 20. Then bit E. So we have to put the sign like this. Okay. We have to put like this. Sign like this. Okay. Then minus bit E, minus 231 plus 79 plus 59. Sorry, 51, which is box minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Okay, let's do this side. So minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. What is 79 plus 51? It is 130. So one is negative and the other one is positive. So you have to find the difference and put the greater sign. So we get minus 101 we get. Okay. Next we are going to check this side. Okay. Minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So minus next step, as next step we have to write which is equal to minus 399, you should add 159 plus 81. So you get 240. So minus 399 plus 240. So what is the difference? You get 159 and put the bigger sign. So minus 159. Here minus 101 is greater than minus 159. So we have to put the sign like this. Okay, isn't it?